Hello and welcome everyone. Tonight we are trying something new here at Topherspin Meteorites.
The idea is simple. Once a week, we're going to show you just 7 meteorites that are available for sale. No marathon 5-hour sales videos, no hundreds of specimens to keep track of, just 7 cool meteorites, all affordably priced. This week, our least expensive meteorite is only $12, and our most expensive specimen is $539. And trust me, it's worth every penny.
I am showing off some samples right now that you may be wondering, why the heck am I showing these off? Well, I wanted to show off this because it's laser etched with my logo. But I figured, you know what? I have 2 sister slices to it that I'll send you, 50 cents a gram. Whoever's interested in them, you can have those. They obviously need a little bit of love, but cool beans. All right, 7 meteorites, one for each day of the week. Let's go!
Our first meteorite on the list is an unclassified slice. It's polished and coated on one side. It's a probable LL. It's 10.5 grams, found in Northwest Africa, and cost only $12.
It has a coating on it that can be taken off with, it's Paleobond. It can be taken off with acetone. But it's a very interesting, cool looking meteorite with well-defined chondrules in there of a different color. So definitely an interesting meteorite. Plus you get that big chondrule right there. It looks like a radiopyroxene. I don't know. Maybe, perhaps. But if you want, you can finish this up a little bit nicer than it is, or just put it on display.
Our second meteorite is another unclassified. It's a probable L4. This is a micro-thin slice. It's polished on one side. It was found in Algeria in 2020. It's 11.3 grams. It costs only $29. This has provenance from Stephen Amara of Space Matters. So you get the full provenance paperwork from Stephen as well as from Topherspin Meteorites.
And this, like she said, is absolutely super, only wafer thin, but there is so much microscope space on here, it is ridiculous. If you look at the back, yeah, there is a lot of space on here to be enjoyed. Very cool piece. Look at all those chondrules in there. Wow. All right, there you have it.
This next specimen is an unclassified probable lunar feldspathic breccia found in Northwest Africa. It's an individual stone and it comes with a 3D printed footprint. It's 16.05 grams and it costs only $420. Topher's favorite number.
420, I love it. Yeah, this is an absolute beautiful unclassified lunar. I actually bought, I think, a lot of 4 stones or 3 stones, and I meticulously removed all the caliche. They were absolutely just covered in this orange caliche here, and I meticulously cleaned them. And one was a 72 gram one, I think, shaped in the continent of Africa. And I actually sold this one to a friend who sold it back to me recently. And I am looking at it going, man, that would look really good cut in half. This is an absolute gorgeous lunar. So whether you just want to keep on to it as a individual stone like this, or if you have the tools to slice that and lap it and have 2 beautiful end cuts. But it's a beautiful lunar.
Now, I may not do this every week, but since it's the first time that we're trying this, I'm going to say that whoever sends in the first order is going to get one of our famous meteorite lottery scratcher tickets. If you are a member of our Patreon, which has several different levels, including free, I'm sure you've seen some of the videos of all the free meteorites we've been giving away lately. So don't hesitate. This meteorite is Sahara 02599. It's a polished end cut. It's 30.22 grams. It costs only $40. This is an L3 chondrite found in Northwest Africa in 2001.
It is absolutely super, super cool. It even has a natural end, so you have an natural external to the rock. Beautiful interior. Good amount of metal. Lots of nice chondrules and probably a breccia if I had to say something. Yeah, that's absolutely a beautiful piece. Really interesting. I love the way it's cut there so you can see that entire brecciated pebble in there. How many grams in this?
It's 30.22 grams. It's only $1.32 a gram.
Very, very cool meteorite.
Just want to jump in here and let you know that shipping is simple too. It's a $6 flat rate shipping anywhere in the United States. Even if you buy all 7 of the meteorites that we're showing, if you're outside of the United States, just contact us and we'll give you a shipping rate.
We actually showed 2 extra ones. We have the bonus ones.
Oh, yes, that's right.
In fact, if you buy one of those, I'll give you, whoever buys any of those ones that I showed in the very first bit, 50 cents a gram for one of these and a free lottery ticket. There, double stamped. Okay.
This meteorite is NWA 12227. This slice is very lightly polished, just enough to remove all saw marks. It's a 1-stone find with a low total known weight of only 1,780 grams. It's a howardite found in Algeria in 2018. This one is 32.7 grams, and you can take it home for $229.
Wow, that's so inexpensive, I feel. Because you guys, I mean, this is beautiful, but wait till you see the other side. Look at this. Fusion crusted howardite with beautiful, beautiful black inclusions in there. This was a single stone, and I actually have the end cut to it. So, contraction cracks on the fusion crust. Beautiful fusion crust. And literally you can see so many rocks in there. The texture of them are unique as well. Yeah, this is a dream slice right here.
So we just did something for the first time ever, and we actually got stickers. They're not Topherspin Meteorites branded, but they are Knowledge Bolide Crew branded. And as of today, I've only shipped out 2 orders with these new stickers. So if you order one of these meteorites, you're going to be one of the first people to receive the Knowledge Bolide Crew sticker. And we had help from Antho on our crew with the artwork on it, and we're both really happy with this.
Very cool. Yeah, there's not very often I spend a lot of money and time on something that doesn't have my logo on it, but that's the Knowledge Bolide, man. Like I said, we've been around since 2020 and we never miss.
275 weeks in a row tomorrow.
275 weeks in a row tomorrow.
On Wednesday, the 19th of August.
Amazing.
The crew is strong. The crew is wise. Okay, meteorite number 6. This is an unclassified H-melt slice. It is polished on one side. We have the full provenance paperwork from Stephen Amara on this one as well. It's Stephen Amara of Space Matters. This is a meteorite that was found in Morocco in 2017. It is 13.5 grams, and the final price is $21.
It's really super nice because it's actually dark matrix with dark chondrules. If you look at that, you can see dark chondrules. A lot of times when you see a piece like this, it is a melt, and you're going to have a lot of melt and not a lot of chondrules. This, you actually have chondrules, and they're multicolored chondrules. You have black ones, you have white ones. So it actually had a black matrix or a black chondrules to it. Maybe it's shock darkened. But very interesting. Armored chondrules. Yeah.
Really beautiful piece. So I just want to add that everything is first come, first serve. So if you see something you want, don't wait, because some of these prices are so low, someone's going to buy it. So don't miss out. Claim your meteorite below in the comments, or send us an email, or you can reach out to one of us on Facebook Messenger. Okay, I said that the last meteorite was worth every penny, and I was not joking. This is a absolutely gorgeous polished slice of immolac. It's a Pallasite main group, and you can take this one home for only $539. So if you've always wanted one of those showpiece Pallasite slices for your collection, this is your chance to get an absolutely gorgeous slice.
This one really shows well. It's not even etched. So if you wanted to, you could display it as is, or if you like working on meteors, you can put an etch on this. Super beautiful. It does have a little bit of a saw mark on the back, and you're going to have to live with that because I am not going to touch that, but it's right there. But an absolute beautiful sample, and it has absolute gorgeous translucency. Look at those olivines. They are on fire. I even saw some chatoyance in one of them without the flashlight on. Yeah, it's gorgeous. One other really great thing about immolac is it is known to be one of the most stable pallasites ever. So if you have a fear of rusting pallasites and that's what's holding you back, this is a good alternative for you because it is about as stable of a pallasite as they get.
To review the pricing one last time, we have a 10.5 gram slice unclassified for $12. We have an 11.3 gram micro thin slice, probable L4, unclassified for $29. We have the NWA Lunar feldspathic breccia. This one's 16.05 grams for $420.
Party on.
We have a polished end cut of Sahara 02599. It's 30.22 grams for $40. Next we have the Howardite, the NWA 12227 slice. It's 32.7 grams for $229.
No extra charge for the fusion crust.
Next we have a polished slice of an H melt. It's 13.5 grams, and this is $21. And last but certainly not least, we have a 14.53 gram slice of immolac for $539.
Oh. All right, guys, thanks. And we're going to be doing this weekly, so hopefully you'll like it. Let us know if you enjoyed the sexy meteorites, and feel free to put any of them in your collection. And just to show you guys, our ever loyal dog helps us with all of our shoots. Hey, Butters.
Oh, she's so cute.
Hey, little girl.
Her tail's going crazy.